Is Smith machine perfect for a home gym? Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's been buzzing in the fitness community: the Smith machine for a home gym. If you're looking to take your home workouts to the next level, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore whether the Smith machine is the perfect addition to your home gym setup. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's understand what a Smith machine is. The Smith machine is a versatile piece of fitness equipment that consists of a barbell attached to vertical guides. It allows for a guided, vertical range of motion, providing stability and safety during various exercises. Traditionally found in commercial gyms, the Smith machine is now becoming popular among home gym enthusiasts. Now, you might be wondering, is the Smith machine the right choice for your home gym? Well, let's weigh the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Pros of Smith machine. First, let's talk about the pros of having a Smith machine in your home gym. One of the biggest advantages is the added safety and stability it provides. The guided vertical movement of the barbell reduces the risk of injury, especially when performing exercises like squats or bench presses. It's perfect for beginners or those who prefer an extra level of support during their workouts. Another benefit of the Smith machine is its versatility. You can perform a wide range of exercises on it, targeting different muscle groups. From squats and lunges to bench presses and shoulder presses, the Smith machine allows for a variety of compound movements that can help you build strength and muscle. Additionally, the Smith machine is a space-saving solution for your home gym. Unlike having separate equipment for different exercises, the Smith machine combines multiple functionalities into one compact unit. This means you can maximize your workout potential even if you have limited space. Cons of Smith machine. Now, let's address some of the cons of having a Smith machine in your home gym. One common criticism is that the guided movement of the barbell restricts your natural range of motion. Unlike free weights, where you have to stabilize the weight yourself, the Smith machine can potentially lead to muscle imbalances if not used correctly. Another consideration is the cost. Smith machines can be more expensive compared to other home gym equipment. However, if you prioritize safety and versatility, it might be a worthwhile investment. Ultimately, whether the Smith machine is suitable for your home gym depends on your specific fitness goals, preferences, and budget. If safety, versatility, and space saving are your top priorities, the Smith machine could be a valuable addition to your workout space. Before making a decision, it's always a good idea to try out a Smith machine at a local gym or fitness center to see if it aligns with your workout style and feels comfortable for you. Please consult with a fitness professional or trainer before incorporating any new equipment or exercises into your workout routine. Safety and proper form are essential when using the Smith machine or any other fitness equipment. That wraps up our exploration of the Smith machine for a home gym. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness-related videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.